What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. I need your help naming this truck. Like, what should I freaking name this? I want to steal ugly truck because this is totally the definition of ugly truck, but I know another YouTubers already have that truck, and yeah, I don't really want to be a thief, you know, so help me come up with a name of that. Also, I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It was just cutting it very close. I don't know if we'll actually make it or not. So just go ahead and do me a favor and support the channel for free. Just hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up so it gets out there more. And let's get right into the video.
Life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
So the last video that we made on a Silverado was a short. It was an awesome one, and I'm gonna put it down right here. 24 hours after that video, I was driving home from my daughter's Halloween trunk or treat, and the motor made some noises and shut off. As you can tell, the truck is on a trailer. We're up north again, back where I pulled the engine out and built the engine. We're gonna pull it off the trailer. We're gonna pull some stuff off. I think that lifter noise, either the lifter broke or I dropped a valve or something. It didn't exactly lock up. It's just really noisy when cranking over, like things are hitting each other. It was pretty uneventful, and actually the only part that I was mad about was not that the engine blew up, was that it didn't do it on camera, and it did it cruising at 45 miles an hour. Like, I literally had the cruise set at 45 miles an hour, and it just locked up. So we're gonna drain the oil. We're gonna see what fell into the oil pan. I'm gonna pull off the driver's side valve cover, possibly the passenger side too, if I don't find anything on the driver's side valve cover. As soon as I find some carnage, I will show you guys, and hopefully find something pretty simple where I can just maybe stick a new valve in there and a new spring, and we can keep sending this. If not, I have some ideas on what we're gonna do with this truck, and it's gonna be better than what it is now. Upon pulling the valve cover off, it doesn't look like there's any issues in there. So I pulled the 3 rocker arms that we heard the noise from over that side, and push rods are all straight. Everything looks pretty good. This number 7 push rod has some scarring. I don't know if you can see that very well. And there's a little bit of like burrs on there. So I don't know, but went to hook the jump pack on here to start the thing, and all it does is kind of click pretty violently. So I went down underneath with a ratchet and a socket, and this thing's locked up. I'm gonna drain the oil, see what comes out, but we're gonna have to pull this engine and break it down and kind of see what happens. If you guys aren't aware, I built this engine within like a 5-year span, so I'm sure there's some things that I forgot, some things that I kind of rushed through. I don't know, but I'm pretty curious to see what I messed up on or what actually went wrong, because who knows? I mean, maybe that lifter just failed, because it was ticking pretty bad. So maybe it just failed and dropped or something. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and just drain the oil, see what comes out, see if any metal comes out or anything like that, which I'm sure there is gonna be. There was some on a dipstick. I don't know, who knows? Maybe my little Chinese sloppy stage 2 cam broke in half. I don't know. I rolled it up on some ramps, drained about half the oil, dumped it in there, found a ton of shavings, which I'll show you guys here in a second. It's almost done. But here's the drain plug. And it's definitely chewed something up. It doesn't look like bearing material. I'm wondering if I destroyed a piston. Won't really know until we pull this thing out, but it is 100% locked up. There's 100% metal that should not be in there. I mean, I had a pretty big chunk in my hand. Alright guys, I left it off yesterday at the damage caused and that we needed a new motor. So, sorry for the short video, but just know I don't believe in replacing things with the same exact thing. I believe in upgrading when we can. So here soon we're going to be going and grabbing a 6.2 or a 6.0 probably from the junkyard. And then we're going to go from there. I will explain the plans and everything involved in that. And then we will do an engine teardown because I am curious to see what actually went wrong. Kind of looks like piston material in there. So maybe I broke a ringland, maybe I didn't, you know, maybe I left a burr on one of the rings. I don't know. But I want to know why. So we'll get to that. Hit that subscribe button so I can get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year because that is my goal. And give this video a thumbs up so it gets out there more. And make sure you hit that bell icon so you are notified when we go to start pulling the engine.